Boom, right there. Woo, that's good. That's real good. On today's video, we're making a Cajun shrimp po' boy with a secret rub you've never seen before. All right, so to start, let's go ahead and get some seasoning on the shrimp. I'm gonna move my lettuce and tomato out of the way. And we have 2 pounds of peeled and deveined shrimp here. Use what you like. This just happens to be what we're using. And we have some of our Cajuning seasoning from the Kosmos Q Lab. If you don't know about the Kosmos Q Lab, it's a private community where we test monthly flavor drops and we try all kinds of different things. Golly, we've done a bunch. A little bit more seasoning. And if you want to get in, we'll put a link below this video. Click on it, get signed up. Make sure you get in the Facebook community. That's where all the gold is. They get a 15-minute jump on all of the launches. So yeah, you'll want to be there for sure. Now the sauce. The sauce is really simple. Nothing crazy here. 1 cup of mayo, 2/3 of a cup of ketchup, 3 tablespoons of prepared horseradish, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. We'll just get all this mixed up, get it put in the fridge, let it start chilling. I was actually the other day having a dream about a po' boy, so I had to look them up. Martin Brothers, 1929, New Orleans. All the rail car workers are striking. Old Martin Brothers, you know, not on their watch. You're not gonna go hungry on our watch. So they invented the po' boy. And apparently it's like fried potatoes, roast beef, or some shit like that, stew meat. Sounds good in its own mind. So here we are 100 years later. You know, we've all screwed it up into making something that we like, but I would probably go out on a limb and say, I think this is gonna taste better than a fried potato sandwich on a hoagie bun with some stew meat. But then again, when you're hungry, you're hungry. Put this in the fridge. And now, let's go cook the shrimp. So we have our flat top up to speed already. I'm gonna throw down a little bit of booter. Oh, get out of there. About lost it. Get the shrimp down. Now this shrimp cooks quick. I also have a couple cloves of garlic. I'm sure the Martin Brothers ain't gonna get our hoagie buns buttered and down. I will admittedly tell you up front that I am gonna overcook these. I got sick a long time ago and just haven't been able to shake it. I can't be the only one that once you get like food poisoning on something, like you don't like, I ain't eating it again usually. So now I just overcook the shit out of it. That's okay, safety first. Woo, that bun done. Oh yeah. Last time I got one at a restaurant, they put like 6 pieces of shrimp on it. We ain't doing that here. We want enough it falls off. I gotta tell you, this is one of the fastest video shoots. Literally, we started like 5 minutes ago. I'm gonna taste this sauce real quick. I forgot to taste it a second ago. That's good. I was gonna put some SPG in it, but kind of got in a hurry. A little bit more. So that's about a tablespoon of SPG in there. I know the Martin Brothers, I'm gonna make them proud. Boom, right there. Woo, that's good. That's real good. Love it. All right, so to build this little puppy, let me make some room here. Get us some fighting room. I'm going sauce down first. Goop it on. Don't be scared. It's your sandwich, your rules. A little bit of lettuce. Just enough to make the doctor happy. Nothing crazy. Nice vine ripened tomatoes. Always season your tomatoes. Dude, this is gonna be so good. All right, like I said, we're getting after it. Here in Oklahoma, you gotta be leery about the sea creatures you eat. Man, should I do more? Hell yes. We'll do another layer. One right there. Is it gonna shut? Oh, hell yeah. Boom, just like that. Look at that, baby. All right, so yeah, shrimp po' boy, Kosmo style. Oh man, that sauce makes it. I was trying to grill them just to be a little bit more healthy. I know I put a pound of butter on there, but gotta be better than all that oil. It's fantastic. That sauce is killer. And I can 100% see this in fried shrimp, raw-fish, lobster, catfish, salmon. So hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you like this recipe, go ahead and head on over to KosmosQ.com, print it off, make it for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Always season your potatoes. Potatoes. I said potatoes. Jersey Mike's gonna be proud of me.